The year is 1776. The place, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Tension in the American colonies is at an all-time high. And now, King George III, the ruler of Great Britain, has passed some laws that we colonists find, well, intolerable. He's taxing us even though we don't have any representatives in the British Parliament. We're paying the government, but we don't have any say in the government. He's also forcing us to only buy British goods, so he gets the revenue. What's that about? And he's using that money to support the troops he keeps sending over here. We don't even want British soldiers in the American colonies. Now, the last straw was when he told us we had to provide food for the soldiers and give them somewhere to sleep, in our own houses if necessary, without any payment. Well, we have just about had enough, mister. The scenario I just described was what led Thomas Jefferson and the other founding fathers to get together and write what turned out to be one of the most important documents in American history, the Declaration of Independence. The document that explained why the American colonies were breaking away from Great Britain. In earlier times, maybe, the colonists would have just put up with all these indignities. But it was the age of Enlightenment. The Enlightenment was a new way of thinking about the world. It celebrated natural rights, declaring that people are equal and have freedoms that no government can take away. Enlightenment thinkers also came up with the social contract, the idea that government is there to protect people's rights. And they argued that governments should be chosen and controlled by the people, an idea known as popular sovereignty. These Enlightenment ideas made all the things King George was doing pretty hard to swallow. Essays and pamphlets written by people like John Locke and Thomas Paine inspired the colonists to start standing up to the British and, eventually, to declare their independence. The result was a brand new nation, the United States of America, and a uniquely American form of democracy. A democracy in which the people like you and people like me, have that power. Hey, I really like that. In this outfit, colonists knew what was going on.